In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a Binance demo trading account using the mobile app. Whether you're completely new to trading and want to learn without risking real money, or you're an experienced trader looking to test new strategies safely, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know in a clear and easy way. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to practice and build confidence in a risk-free environment. First, open your Binance app on your mobile device. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to your app store and download it first. Once the app is open, you'll see Binance's clean interface ready to explore. Make sure you're logged in with your Binance account, or take a few moments to create one if you're new. Accuracy here matters because it keeps your demo account linked and ready to use. Next, look at the bottom of your screen where you'll find options like Home, Markets, Trade, Futures, and Wallet. Tap on the Futures option. Futures trading allows you to speculate on the future price of assets, which makes it perfect for demo trading. Don't worry, no real money is involved yet. Once you're in the Futures section, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll notice 3 small dots. Tap on them to reveal more options. Among these options, look for Mock Trading. This is Binance's demo trading feature, designed to mirror real market conditions. Tap on Mock Trading to enter the simulated trading environment. Here, you can practice trades, try out new strategies, and get familiar with the interface without any financial risk. It's an excellent way to gain experience. To make the process smoother, make sure you have a Binance account ready and your app is updated to the latest version. Doing this beforehand prevents any unexpected errors or delays. Once you tap on Mock Trading, you may be prompted to log in or activate your demo account. If you already have an account, just log in. If not, follow the straightforward sign-up process with your email and a secure password. Confirm any activation prompts and you're ready to go. Once you've completed these steps, you can start practicing trades immediately. Explore the different trading tools, adjust charts, and try out different strategies without any risk. It's also a good idea to take notes on what works best for you. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to open a Binance demo trading account easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped. If it did, share it with someone who's ready to start their trading journey. Why not make someone's day easier?